How to fix Samsung A16 mobile hotspot not working. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time like that. And then you can see the option restart. Now restart your device. After restarting your device, then open settings and then click on connection. And here you can see the option mobile hotspot. Now click on it and then turn on your mobile hotspot. After turning on your mobile hotspot, then check your internet connection will be on or off. After checking your internet connection, then go back and reset all your settings. For reset all your settings, then open settings and scroll down and click on general management. After clicking on general management, then scroll down and click on reset and then click on reset all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.